You can create a new shape library by clicking on File, then New Library. Enter the name of your library. You can quickly add shapes in various formats to the library using drag and drop, including SVG files. You can also add image elements. Click on Add Image URL. Here, you can add images that are attached to your Confluence page, or enter a URL. When you have entered a URL, you will see a preview of your image. A newly created custom library can be used by any user in your Confluence instance. You can change the permissions from Everyone can edit to Owner and admins can edit, you and your system administrators. To restrict who is allowed to add shapes to your library, edit, or delete your library. Save your library, and it will appear in the left-hand panel. You can add shapes from your library to the drawing area as normal. Open and delete libraries. Click File, then Open Library to see all of the libraries that are available in your Confluence instance. When you click on one, you will see what shapes are in it. You can open any custom library from here, one at a time. To open more than one library at the same time, click on More Shapes at the bottom of the left-hand panel. Scroll down to where you can see the section Custom Libraries. You can see a preview of each library and select multiple libraries to open. To delete a custom library, click on File and then Open Library. Select the custom library that you want to delete, then click Delete. Your custom library is no longer available in the list, nor in the left-hand panel. Edit the library. You can edit and add shapes to your custom library after you have created it. Click on the Edit pencil icon to add elements and change permissions. You can also rename your library, as well as delete shapes or change their names. You can add shapes or entire groups of shapes directly from the drawing area to your custom library. Simply select the shapes you want to add, then click the little plus symbol on your library, or drag them in. To remove your library from the left-hand panel, click the small cross next to the Edit pencil. This will not delete your library. You can open it again at any time. Export and import libraries. You can import and export custom libraries. First, edit your custom library. Click Export to save it as an XML file. If you import a custom library, the shapes in that custom library will be added to the library you are currently editing. Scratchpad. Click on View, then Scratchpad to enable or disable your Scratchpad in the left-hand column. You can use the Scratchpad to store your own shapes. Only you will be able to see the contents of your Scratchpad. Other than that, you can use your Scratchpad in the same way as you use custom libraries.